Christchurch Learning Centre bullied into providing te reo course that only tiny numbers of students want. Kia ora koutou. Today, we're diving deep into an article that claims a Christchurch Learning Centre was bullied into providing a te reo Māori course. The article's premise is biased and inaccurate. It suggests offering a te reo Māori course is a form of bullying and catering to a minority interest. However, it fails to acknowledge that te reo Māori is an official language of New Zealand, a taonga under the Treaty of Waitangi, and a cultural heritage that benefits all New Zealanders. The article also lacks understanding of Māori concepts like whanaungatanga, relationships, kaitiakitanga, guardianship, and manaakitanga, hospitality. These concepts are not only relevant to te reo Māori, but also to wider social and environmental issues in New Zealand. By learning te reo Māori, students can gain a deeper insight into these concepts and apply them to their own lives and communities. The article uses emotional language to provoke readers' emotions rather than inform and educate them. Words like bullied, forced, tiny numbers, waste, nonsense, ridiculous, insane, and brainwashing are used to convey outrage, resentment, and fear. The article's weaknesses are numerous. It's full of logical fallacies, fails to acknowledge counter-arguments and evidence that challenge its position, and doesn't provide any credible sources or evidence to support its claims. The article is disrespectful and destructive in its feedback. It insults and attacks the Learning Centre and its decision, incites anger and division, and doesn't respect the Learning Centre's autonomy and authority to make its own decisions. The article doesn't include any growth mindset principles. It doesn't encourage learning and understanding, show curiosity or openness to learn more about te reo Māori, or show any respect or appreciation for the diversity and richness of languages and cultures in New Zealand. The article has a negative and harmful impact on various communities. It undermines and devalues the Māori language, culture, and identity, fuels conflict and division among students and staff, and contributes to the erosion and loss of te reo Māori. In conclusion, the article silences and dismisses Indigenous and minority voices, and fails to acknowledge the historical and contemporary struggles and achievements of Māori and other Indigenous and minority groups. It's important to respect and appreciate the diversity and richness of languages and cultures in New Zealand. Kia ora.